Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download Phantom Wallet on your Mac. And to do so it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to know is that the Phantom Wallet doesn't come as an app or a software that you can download on your desktop or on your Mac or whatever. It comes as an extension to your browser. So whether you are using Firefox, Chrome, Brave or Edge, it will just be added as an extension to your browser. So here you just have to go to Google and then type Phantom download and then click on the first link. Be careful of the phishing links, of course. It should be the official one, phantom.com. And then here come to this section where you will have to choose your browser. So if you don't use any of these, just use Chrome by default. Or if you use Firefox, just use Firefox. Or if you are in my case here, I'm using Opera. Click on Chrome. It will open a new tab for the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome and add the extension, and it will be added among your extensions. So here the tutorial is made on a Windows, but it is exactly the same on Mac because there is not really a difference between the OS. It's just a matter of browsers. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.